Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is RUTH RATHOR, and for today's video I'm going to show you our trip in Cotswold in August. So on our first day here in Cotswold, we saw this classic car show here in Broadway. So we stopped by first so we can shoot all these beautiful cars. And after here, we are going straight to the cottage we rent out for a week. And yeah, we're going to show you all the beautiful places, houses and cottages here in Cotswold. So enjoy watching. We are staying here in Chipping Campden. And you can see, guys, it's only 8 o'clock in the evening and it's not so many people around. And this small town is very quiet actually, but it's lots of tourists at the daytime. And all you can see, all the cottages, the color of the cottages is all the same in Cotswold. It's honey colored. It's lots of pubs as well here in Chipping Campden, and you can book your stay as well. There's lots of there's hotels and guest house as well here. Chipping Campden is one of the loveliest small towns in the Cotswold. This is Market Hall in Chipping Campden. The hall was intended to provide shelter from the elements for merchants and farmers selling goods like cheese, butter and poultry, not as you might think, wool. This is the cottage that we are staying here in Cotswold. It's really nice. It's inside is a bit like modern, but still outside you can see how beautiful it is. All this like the stones. The next day we went steam train ride here in Cotswold. It's really nice ride. You can see the view from the train. The whole Cotswold area is really nice. You can see the hills, all this green surroundings. It's really nice to visit here in summer, so you will enjoy it. So this is the train. It's really nice. So inside the Chipping Campden there is a barn. It's like a museum. And then the next day we went to Sudeley Castle, which is, you can see the beautiful like atmosphere, the surroundings. There's a garden. This is not far from Chipping Campden, so if you want to come to Cotswold, you better stay in Chipping Campden, because it's really very accessible area to anywhere in Cotswold. You can see all these ruins buildings here, the castle, but you can still go inside. There is a cafe that you can still go if you want to eat. There's a cafe here. It's really nice here. The gardens is really beautiful, which is it's just you can see it says the Queen's Garden, right? So today Sudeley Castle remains the only private castle in England to have a queen buried within the grounds. Queen Catherine Parr, the last and surviving wife of King Henry VIII, who lived and died in this castle. But there is a church as well inside here. it's really nice to come here to Sudeley. So guys, I can recommend this Sudeley Castle, one of the most visited place, and there is a Pixie Village as well here. The gardens is really beautiful, and if you are coming here with kids, you will really enjoy it. There is a playground as well here, around here in Sudeley Castle. We bought one bundle of flour and then we just put the money in there. So still I'm still like doing a video of these beautiful houses here in Chipping Campden. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this one. So guys, there's a lot there's a places to visit here in Chipping Campden. There's tourist attractions as well here inside, which is you will love it if you will come over. I usually come out at 8 o'clock in the evening because it's the weather is really nice. It's not hot, it's not cold, so it's just a lovely weather. And you can see it's not so many people, it's just like only me. You can hear the sound of the birds. The shop closed early because this is a small town, so if you want to buy something, yeah, so you have to be early. I came here yesterday, but it was quite dark, so I decided to just go home to the cottage. And yeah, I said I will come back here again to look around. And now, yeah, I came here. I'm here again, and you can see it's just me. It's still not many people. I think it's just me here around here now, and it's just 8 o'clock in the evening. So yeah. So guys, this town, Chipping Campden town, is very quiet, small town. So this is really nice to if you want to come here for relaxing, to just be out of the city. Yeah, this is the place you want to be for holiday. Yeah, so you will enjoy it here. The next day again, we went to Broadway to just look around again. So yeah, this is the place. And then we go straight to Broadway Tower, which is you can go inside. So the next day again, we went to Broadway Tower. So Broadway Tower is a folly on Broadway Hill near the large village of Broadway in the English county of Worcestershire, at the second highest point of the Cotswold. So we can go actually on top, and you can see all this beautiful view here. So the Broadway Tower's base is 1,024 feet, is 312 meters above sea level. The tower itself stands 65 feet, 20 meters high. So guys, I'm ending the video here. So if you enjoy the video, please don't forget to click like, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon as well, so you are always updated for the new videos. So yeah, I just want to say thank you so much to all the people who keep watching my video. I really appreciate that. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon. Bye.